All right, Greg Marchand here, you auto repair shop owners. Here's how you can fail in March. There's all kinds of ways to fail every month. I hate to say it. Number one, in March, you should be having employee want ads out there. I'm always saying, always be hiring. You do not know when good people are going to come and go from your organization. Be prepared by always having an ad out for a technician, an ad out for a receptionist, and an ad out for a service advisor. March is a great time to be talking to these people, doing interviews, practicing your interview skills, knowing who is out there. Because if you lose somebody in May, June, or July, don't you want a list of people you've already talked to that you can immediately pick up the interview process with and find a replacement relatively quickly? So I look for that in the month of March. If you don't do that, I think you're wasting time. If you're not paying attention to your May marketing, then that's going to become a May fail too. You should be 6 to 8 weeks ahead of your next marketing piece all the time. And listen, in March when you're building the May program, the marketing program, write this stuff down. Write down what you did. Keep a copy of the artwork, whatever it might be, in a notebook so that you can go back to it a year from now and go, oh, okay, here's what I did last March for that April. And yeah, it was okay, but you know what? I'm going to change it up a little bit. Okay? So if you ignore marketing, that's a huge March fail. If you ignore the next awesome employee that might be coming down the line, that's another huge March fail. And here's the other thing. Not paying attention, not thinking about vacation schedules that are going to be coming up in May, June, and July. You got to start wrapping your head around what kind of policy are you going to put in place around vacation schedules, because we cannot have 2 out of 4 technicians out for a week at a time during the really busy season, all right? Because that will crush our yearly goals. So get on your marketing so you don't fail there. Stay up on your schedule so you don't fail there. And think about employees and doing some interviews, all right? So that you have some stuff lined up should you ever need it. Let's hope you never do, but you very well might.